want to increase and get more client retention and client attraction, that use social media, use like that social media for engagement. So leverage social media platform to engage with clients and showcase what your work. So your salon actually you do a lot of hair color correction or balayage, whatever. You do need to use the social media, and when you use the social media, need to use correctly and effectively, not just post the picture before and after. When you post the picture before and after, but you do need to post, write the clear caption and describe about the pain point, the benefit, the transformation, make it more clear. So when the new client, when they land into your page, they read and they feel resonate with, and when they feel